First of all, I would like to thanks to all the assessors and Sheer sir for guiding me in this journey. They helped me a lot during this journey because when I came for the first time here, I was nothing in studies because I was in sports in back to my days, and I just scored 60 around 65% marks in 10th and 12th, and I also have a one back year in graduation. So from there to this recommending for this, so I would congratulate all the assessors and Shir sir. They helped me a lot. When I haven't cleared my written exam, I used to go like मैं ऐसे घुस जाता था बीच में एसएसबी की क्लासेस वगैरह में. तो कई बार सर ऐसे बच्चे कम होते हैं तो पीपीडीटी वगैरह में सर ने देखा है तो सर ने बोला था कि यू हैव पोटेंशियल सो यू must focus on your SSB and all. And all the things I have taken around 2-3 batches of SSB, like repeating all the things again and again. For the very first day we have a psych test which I have practiced many times during this here in different courses. So I never felt like a burden on me of like it's very hard to do all the stories, 12 stories and many 60 words. And SRTs, I have done around 38 SRTs, but I have did on like I focus on quality of that, not like if one of a guy did 60 but he not got recommended. So it's about the quality you are giving in this RTs and all. And next GTO is like I thought that GTO is the part which made me help me in my recommendation, because Amit sir helped me a lot during our GTO sessions, and as I said, I have did everything many times, so I got perfect in all the things. So I haven't felt anything that is bothering me during the GTO. And the thing sir advised me that as sir said, I feel like if you are doing for a PGT, so I hesitate from like सब जा रहे हैं मैं भी घुस जाऊंगा तो भसड़ हो जाएगी. तो सर एडवाइज मी कि नहीं तुम्हें जाना है, यू हैव टू टेक इनिशिएटिव. सो आई फॉलोड दैट एडवाइस देयर एंड everything was in a flow and very good. And during interview, the best part is also an interview, because my interview was around 1 hour and 5 minutes, and all the things they haven't asked me about my any army military knowledge, or they only asked me about my behavior, my past, and all the things I am doing right now. So they are more focused toward my personality. And also I aligned my all the things in a way like if you are going to like what I mentioned in my PIQ, so in my psych, in my interview, all the things are same because they are true. If I go for like मैं उसमें कुछ भी लिख दूँ जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है, हिस्ट्री या इंटरेस्ट वगैरह में कुछ भी लिख दूंगा तो वो कहीं ना कहीं साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट या इंटरव्यू में वो आ जाती है आगे. But I aligned all the things because I wrote truth there, so it's easy for me to handle all the things.
Put things in the correct perspective. I would like to go over whatever he said. Many of you were you didn't understand what she meant when he said he's a sportsman. And he said that कि मेरा एक बैक ईयर भी है, तो कुछ लोग हंस रहे थे. Do you know the level of his sportsmanship? He is a national level footballer who has played professional football with Kerala Blasters. ठीक है? So a person of that direction and level of achievement, obvious है कि वो एक आध ईयर उसका मिस हो सकता है, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा काफ़ी फेमस पीपल दे हैव गॉट देयर एरियाज इन अ डिफरेंट वे. उस सुबह शाम प्रैक्टिस में ही चला जाता है, सो टूर्नामेंट्स में चला जाता है. सो फॉर हिम ए ईयर लॉस, डोंट टेक इट कि अरे ईयर लॉस था तो ये हंसने का चीज़ है. ठीक है? सो जस्ट टू पुट थिंग्स इन द करेक्ट पर्सपेक्टिव, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज फुटबॉल ऑब्वियसली ही कुडंट एक्सेल मच इन स्टडीज, बट अदरवाइज यू कैन सी हिज डेडिकेशन फ्रॉम नॉट गिविंग अप. जो अगर आपने ठीक से सुना होगा, जो विच ही सेड दैट मैंने जाके बैचेस में बैठता था. सो फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग ही वॉज ही हैड हिज गोल. He used to come when other SSB batches are on and there were some 1 or 2 students to participate in the discussion. So all these things which shows the attitude of a person and how determined he is. And so मैं हमेशा बोलते रहता हूँ जो 110% देगा he will definitely be standing here one day. ठीक है, so he is another testimony to this.
Congratulations, Shiv, for your grand success. What I remember of Shiv is that his strength is his simplicity. A very simple man, and he came as a kind of blank canvas where it was very easy to mold him. He was not having any kind of facade on him, where I had to actually fine tune too much about his personality, because what we focus more is on personality development, which is being tested in the SSB. And it was very easy to do that because he was good. He was quick on uptake. He could understand. He could follow, work hard. So he used to really work hard on those points and aspects, and bring those changes very, very deliberately in the every task or exercise which we used to do. So his commitment was there, his hard work, and as I keep telling the students, that what matters is your right mannerisms apart from what all tasks you do there. And that was very good in him. So those etiquettes, a well-behaved man, a cheerful man, obviously with such achievement in the physical or in the sports, again speaks volumes about it. Although he has not been able to score much, and reason we understand that yes, he was involved in the sports, but otherwise in the abstract field or in the studies part, he was doing quite well as far as those tasks are concerned in our SSB. So he was doing quite well, and that is how he's here. And I'm sure he is going to get good ranking also there. And after that, I have no doubt that he's even going to do well in IMA, get some good appointments there. And when he passes out, again, I have got a lot of conviction that he's going to become a very good officer.
अगर देश की वर्दी पहनना है आपका भी सपना, तो आपकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाने के लिए सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी है आपके साथ, जो है डिफेंस एग्जाम्स की सफलता में एक भरोसेमंद नाम। यहां आपको मिलता है बेस्ट मेंटर्स का मार्गदर्शन, रेगुलर क्लासेस, एक्सटेंसिव स्टडी मटेरियल, एक्सपीरियंस्ड एसएसबी एक्सपर्ट से ट्रेनिंग, लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट और रेगुलर डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस जैसी कई सुविधाएं, ताकि आपकी डिफेंस प्रिपरेशन हो पूरी A to Z। तो फिर देर किस बात की है? सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी वेलकम करती है हर उस एस्पिरेंट को जिसने देखा है सपना देश सेवा और रक्षा का। अभी एनरोल कीजिए हमारे कोर्सेज में और टॉप AIRS की तरह ही दीजिए अपनी मेहनत को एक विनिंग बूस्ट।